Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can use the fill series right here in our Microsoft Excel. If you notice, we have January, the month of January. But I want to get from January, February, right down to December. But I just don't want to type out everything. So I'm going to be using fill series and even look and see how we can use it with numbers or we can actually use it with weeks. All right, the first thing you want is to click on it. Now, when you click on it, you notice right at the end right here, as I put the cursor right there, become a plus. Now, if you're using a touchpad, hold on the left side and drag down, do the same thing for more. When you drag, come all the way down, you have to ensure that it's a plus, and then you drag down, come down all the way. If you notice, right over here, from January right to December. But what if I just put JAN, just like that, short for January? Will it work? All right, let's do that. All right, if you notice, the same thing do happen, whether if I put the short or tall. All right, so this is how you use the fill series. Now I'm gonna type week right there. So I'm gonna have week 1. Now I want to put this thing from week 1 to maybe week 3 or 4. So I put the cursor right at the end. I do the same thing like that. You notice week 1, week 2, week 3, week 6. Just the same. But if I click right up here and I come like this and I go the opposite way, like here, you notice? You give me the same pattern. But can this really work with a number? Alright, let's just try it with a number. Alright, so we're gonna put one one right there. And if we're gonna put one here, let me carry it up a little more, that will have a little more space. Right here. Alright, so if I put the cursor right here and I come all the way down. You notice it's P1. In order for you to change that, you're gonna come right here. Click. You notice right here, it's a fill series. When I click, you notice it actually change. But there's another way I can actually do it. I can type 1, go down, and type 2, click back in it, and then actually block both of them like that. When I block them, I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to go all the way down. If you notice, it actually changed within that particular way. So you can use the fill series to do a whole lot of stuff. Definitely right here in our Excel document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.